Are you ready to finally crack the code to skyrocketing your website to the top of Google? Today, we're diving deep into Seobility, a popular all-in-one SEO tool, to see if it's the real deal. First, let's take a look at Seobility's features. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your website's SEO health, flagging critical errors, and displaying keyword rankings. The site audit tool is the workhorse, crawling your entire website to identify on-page issues, like broken links, missing meta descriptions, and slow loading speeds. Seobility doesn't just find problems, it offers solutions. Its on-page optimization feature provides actionable insights on how to improve your content, title tags, and meta descriptions for specific keywords. This is invaluable for boosting your search engine visibility. Now, let's talk keywords. Seobility's keyword research tool helps you discover relevant keywords with decent search volume and manageable competition. While it might not be as robust as dedicated keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, it's a solid addition within an all-in-one platform. Backlinks are crucial for SEO, and Seobility's Backlink Analysis tool allows you to monitor your backlink profile, identify potentially toxic links, and discover new link-building opportunities. It provides data on referring domains, anchor text, and the authority of linking sites. Next, let's talk about cost. Seobility offers a free plan with limited features, making it a good option for beginners. Paid plans offer more in-depth analysis, more projects, and more crawl credits. Compare the tiers carefully to determine which one best suits your needs and budget. So, is Seobility worth it? It's a very user-friendly and affordable all-in-one SEO tool, especially beneficial for small businesses and beginners. However, larger enterprises, I'd find its advanced features somewhat limited compared to more specialized platforms. Weigh the pros and cons to determine if Seobility is the right SEO solution for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth SEO tool reviews.